Good morning, everyone. Few points about depth perception. Depth perception is the ability to perceive the world in three dimensions and also to judge the distance of objects. It is aroused from variety of depth cues. It involves interpretation of visual cues that indicates how near or far the objects are. To make judgment of distance, people rely on a quite variety of clues which are classified as two types: binocular cues and monocular cues. Example: standing on a straight road, looking down the road, we notice narrowing of road as it goes off in distance. If two objects known to be same size but their exact distance size are unknown, example two trees, when we see two trees at the far, we have the same figure. The relative size cues can provide the information about relative depth of two objects. Depth perception makes it possible for our eyes to determine the distance between the objects and to tell if something is near to us or far away. Binocular cues are based on receipt of sensory information in three-dimensional aspect from both eyes, and the monocular cues represented in just two-dimensional aspect or view with one eye. Binocular vision in babies is developed around 4 months of age. That is, infant develops depth perception by 4 months, and by 12 months, baby's vision reaches nearly normal adult vision. While he continues to learn about and understands what he sees. The depth perception allows the babies to trace or track the people's movements and reach for objects by judging how far away they are. Other cues which make possible perception of depth and distance are relative size, interposition, aerial perspective, linear perspective, shadow and movement. If all these are mixed with binocular vision, depth and distance perception are enhanced. The causes of depth perception can be poor or decreased perception that are due to crossed eyes, that means strabismus, lazy eye or amblyopia, when brain favors one eye only, means it cannot serve both the eyes. Trauma to the eyes, nervous or neuro problems, blurred vision, leads to one eye alone failing to trace the objects exactly. So these are the few reasons that causes the depth perception, poor depth perception we can say. The depth perception is improved by adequate rest and sleep at least 6 to 8 hours a day, so that we can give proper rest to the eyes, strengthening the eye muscles by regular eye exercises, moving all the 6 movements, so up and down and obliquely. Vision training tools, increased repetitions of these exercises, healthy and vitamin A rich diet for visual acuity or a healthy retinal aspects, regular eye checkups, wearing shades during the hot summer. So these are the few points about depth perception. Thank you.